What sets LandPro apart from our competitors is we're a one-stop shop from parts, sales, and service. We can provide a complete solution to our customers. We can work on all the major brands, which is nice as well.
I've always been attracted to John Deere. Culture at LandPro is very friendly, very open, easygoing. Try to be as professional as possible and still have fun with it at the same time.
I grew up on my family's dairy farm where we ran mostly John Deere equipment. So when I went to Penn College, I wanted to come and work on John Deere equipment, John Deere ag equipment, so it brought me here. You get a lot of on-the-job training. They do a lot of John Deere University training and also a lot of other training for all the other brands of equipment that we work on.
I would describe the culture at LandPro, Falconer. It's laid back, family atmosphere, easygoing. Everybody's here to help everybody.
As far as working in the shop, the guys are all pretty well mannered and it makes the atmosphere pretty nice to work in. My name is Garrett King. I work at the LandPro in Clymer. I'm a shop foreman and an ag technician. I've been with the company for about 18 years.
Hi, my name is Kevin Smith. I've been a technician at LandPro for 10 years.
I'm Ron Keppel. I'm a technician for LandPro equipment in Faulkner, New York. Graduate of Pennsylvania College of Technology in the class of 2016. I've been at LandPro for almost 10 years now.
My name is Travis Fogelman and I'm an ag tech at our Watsontown location. I've been at LandPro for 3 years.
My name is Justin McCula. I am an ag tech at Falconer LandPro. I have been with the company for 4 years.
The store here in Watsontown is a great store. Got a lot of nice people here. We all get along.
My most favorite customer experience is when the customers come here personally and tell you thank you, you did a good job.
I like being able to work on ag equipment. I went to one guy's place and he had a bunch of old restored Soundguard and 20 series John Deeres, and it was pretty nice to look around his shed while I was working on his other tractors.
I enjoy most is being able to come here and being around decent people and being that's a relaxed environment and I can kind of manage myself and get the job done in an efficient way.
I would say get yourself involved somewhere, whether it's LandPro or not. Get yourself involved somewhere you can get hands-on training. You can talk to technicians that see it every day. You can understand what you're getting yourself into. For most, it's a passion, but it's not easy. It's not an easy, simple job. There's a lot involved to it day to day in terms of the industry. So I would say get your hands dirty, get yourself involved, and you can see if it's something that's best fit for you.
I went to Wyotech after high school in Pennsylvania. It's a branch of the Wyoming Technical School.
LandPro would be a great place for young people to start because the environment is easygoing, but there is a lot of learning here and there's a lot of people helping or willing to help train these younger generations and get them to be a good technician. So it's a great place for new people to start.